Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like us and subscribe to our channel. The straightforward guide to replacing your car's door lock actuator. Is your car door refusing to lock or unlock? This common issue likely traces back to your car door lock actuator. The actuator is a small but vital component that controls the locking mechanism. When it fails, it not only makes your vehicle vulnerable but also causes frustration. In this video, we'll explain why car door lock actuators are essential, identify common problems, and guide you through the replacement process. Ensuring your car locks work smoothly is key to maintaining both security and convenience. So let's dive in and get your car back to its fully functional self. Understanding car door lock actuators. Car door lock actuators play a crucial role in the locking and unlocking mechanism of vehicles, providing convenience and security to car owners. These actuators are responsible for moving the locking rods or levers to secure or release the doors of a vehicle. There are two main types of car door lock actuators: manual and power door lock actuators. Manual door lock actuators. Manual door lock actuators are the traditional mechanism for locking and unlocking car doors. They operate by directly manipulating the locking mechanism through physical force. When you turn the key in the door lock cylinder, the manual door lock actuator engages and moves the locking rods to secure or release the door. Common signs of failure in manual door lock actuators include stiffness or difficulty in turning the key not engaging with the lock, or a loose and wobbly key in the lock cylinder. If you notice any of these symptoms, it may indicate a problem with the manual door lock actuator that requires attention. Power door lock actuators. Power door lock actuators are a more advanced system that uses electrical power to control the locking and unlocking of car doors. These actuators consist of an electric motor, gears, and linkage that work together to move the locking mechanism. When you press the door lock button on your key fob or inside the car, the power door lock actuator receives a signal to engage and secure the door. Issues with power door lock actuators can manifest as slow or noisy operation, doors not locking or unlocking properly, or erratic behavior when using the key fob or door lock buttons. It is essential to address these issues promptly to ensure the continued functionality of your vehicle's locking system and maintain security. Understanding how manual and power door lock actuators function is key to identifying potential problems and taking the necessary steps to address them. Whether you have a traditional manual system or a modern power-operated one, keeping your car door lock actuators in good working condition is essential for the security and convenience of your vehicle. Signs your car door lock actuator needs replacement. Experiencing issues with your car door lock can be frustrating and inconvenient. Knowing the signs that indicate a faulty door lock actuator can help you address the problem promptly. Here are common symptoms that suggest it might be time to replace your car door lock actuator. Unusual sounds. If you notice strange noises coming from your car door when you try to lock or unlock it, such as grinding, buzzing, or clicking sounds, it could be a sign of a malfunctioning door lock actuator. These noises indicate that the actuator is struggling to perform its function properly and may need replacement. Inconsistent locking. Another sign of a failing door lock actuator is when your car doors do not lock or unlock consistently. You may find that the doors only lock or unlock intermittently or require multiple attempts to respond to the lock/unlock command. This inconsistency can indicate a problem with the actuator mechanism. Unlocking problems. If you encounter difficulties unlocking your car doors using the key fob or the manual lock/unlock switch, the door lock actuator may be at fault. Difficulty in unlocking the doors, especially when the issue is not related to a dead battery in the key fob, can signal an underlying problem with the actuator that needs attention. Recognizing these signs early on can help you address door lock actuator issues promptly, ensuring the security and convenience of accessing your vehicle. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's advisable to have a professional inspect your car door lock system to determine if a replacement is necessary. D versus professional replacement. When faced with a malfunctioning car door lock actuator, the choice between a do-it-yourself (DIY) replacement or seeking professional help can be a pivotal decision. Each approach comes with its own set of benefits and considerations, so let's delve into the details to help you make the right choice for your situation. D replacement. Embarking on a DIY replacement journey for your car door lock actuator can be a rewarding experience, putting you in the driver's seat of your vehicle's maintenance. Here is a simplified step-by-step guide on how to replace a car door lock actuator at home. 1. Prepare the tools. Before starting, gather essential tools such as a screwdriver, pliers, a trim removal tool, and a new door lock actuator specific to your car model. 2. Remove the door panel. Start by carefully removing the door panel, following your vehicle's manual instructions to access the inner workings of the door. 3. Locate and replace the actuator. Locate the faulty actuator within the door structure, disconnect wiring harnesses, remove fasteners, and replace it with the new actuator. 4. Test and reassemble. After replacement, test the door lock functionality to ensure proper installation. Reassemble the door panel carefully, ensuring all parts are secured in place. 5. Challenges. DIY replacements can pose challenges such as intricate door panel removal, intricate wiring connections, and the risk of damaging other components if not handled with care. Professional replacement. Entrusting the replacement of your car door lock actuator to a certified mechanic or automotive technician can offer a range of benefits, especially if you prefer a hands-off approach to vehicle maintenance. Here are some advantages of seeking professional help. Expertise and efficiency. Professionals bring specialized knowledge and experience to efficiently replace the door lock actuator, reducing the risk of errors. Safety considerations. Professional technicians are well versed in safety protocols, ensuring the replacement process is conducted securely without causing harm to you or your vehicle. Cost effectiveness. While professional services come at a cost, the precision and reliability of their work can potentially save you money in the long run by avoiding future repairs due to DIY errors. Whether you opt for a DIY replacement or professional assistance for your car door lock actuator, weighing the pros and cons, considering safety measures, and evaluating cost effectiveness are essential factors in making an informed decision tailored to your preferences and skill level. That's it for part 1. Now you know how to prepare and remove the old door lock actuator. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through installing the new actuator and reassembling everything. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.